If you're looking to integrate Apollo.io's CRM with your current systems, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of its CRM integrations and streamline your sales process. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to integrate Apollo.io seamlessly with your existing tools and enhance your sales outreach without any technical headaches. Apollo.io is an all-in-one sales platform that not only helps you manage your contacts, but also integrates with a variety of CRMs to supercharge your sales workflow. Whether you're using Salesforce, HubSpot, or another CRM, Apollo.io makes it easy to sync your data and optimize your outreach. Start by connecting Apollo.io to your CRM system. If you're using a platform like Salesforce, the integration is pretty straightforward. You'll go into the Integrations tab within Apollo.io, select Salesforce from the list, and follow the step-by-step prompts to connect your accounts. This process is simple, and once it's done, you'll see your contacts, emails, and call logs all synced in one place, giving you more time to focus on closing deals. For those using HubSpot, the integration is just as smooth. By linking Apollo.io to HubSpot, you can automatically pull in your HubSpot contacts, track your sales activities, and update records in real time. This two-way integration ensures that both Apollo.io and HubSpot stay up to date, without needing to manually copy and paste information from one platform to the other. What's great about Apollo.io's CRM integrations is that they support automated workflows, saving you time on manual data entry. For example, once a lead is entered into your Apollo.io CRM, you can set it to automatically trigger tasks in your primary CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot. This means fewer missed opportunities and more organized follow-ups, in addition to major CRM platforms, Apollo.io also integrates with tools like Zapier, allowing you to connect your CRM with hundreds of other apps. If you're running a custom CRM solution or even using other marketing tools, you can bridge the gap and create custom workflows that fit your needs. The Zapier integration gives you even more flexibility, making Apollo.io a great choice for businesses of all sizes and types. Now, you might be wondering how to keep everything in sync. Fortunately, Apollo.io makes sure that all updates, whether it's a new lead, an updated contact detail, or an email sent, are reflected across all integrated systems in real time. This continuous sync ensures that your data stays fresh, accurate, and easy to access across multiple platforms. If you're looking for deeper insights, Apollo.io provides robust reporting and analytics features that integrate directly with your CRM. This means you can track how your outreach efforts are performing, understand which strategies are working, and adjust accordingly, all from one unified dashboard. To get started with these CRM integrations, you can use Apollo.io for completely free through the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses that will make it even easier to implement into your sales system. You're going to want to take advantage of this extended free trial, especially since it's a limited time offer. As you explore Apollo.io, you'll quickly see how its CRM integrations make a huge impact on your daily sales operations. Whether you're automating tasks, syncing contacts, or generating reports, Apollo.io's integrations will help you streamline and optimize your entire workflow. So remember, if you want to use Apollo.io's CRM integrations and maximize your sales process, click the link below to get started with a free trial. With Apollo.io, you can take your CRM to the next level effortlessly.